FGN saving bonds explained: how to earn safe interest from the Nigerian government. If you could lend to the Nigerian government and get paid interest every 3 months, would you do it? That is exactly what the FGN saving bond is. It is the federal government of Nigeria saving bonds. Allows you to earn interest. In today's video, I will explain what the FGN saving bond is, how it works, how much you can earn, and how to invest safely and get your returns. And most importantly, we will see whether it is the right investment for you. If you are serious about growing your money the smart and secure way, make sure you like this video, because this channel is where we explain investment matters, and I try to explain in the most simple way so all my viewers can understand. Please join this community by clicking on the subscribe button. You are welcome. So let's get into it. What is FGN saving bond? The FGN saving bond is simply a loan you give to the Nigerian government, and the government pays you back with interest. It is issued by the DMO. The DMO means Debt Management Office, on behalf of the federal government of Nigeria. Just let's think of it like you lend your money to the same people who pay salaries, who build roads, who manage the country's finances, and in return they pay you interest every 3 months. It is called quarterly. It is a risk-free investment, meaning because you are lending money to the federal government of your country, it is backed by the full faith and credit of the federal government. This means that your capital and interest is safe because you are lending to the federal government of Nigeria. How it works. Let's talk about how the FGN savings bond, the FGN bonds, how it works. It is a subscription model, because every month the Debt Management Office, the DMO, they open a subscription window where Nigerians can participate, where Nigerians can invest, they can subscribe to the FGN saving bonds. And it's always available for just few days, because a lot of Nigerians quickly subscribe. So it is just for very few days where Nigerians can buy these bonds. And you can only buy it through the licensed stockbrokers. You can invest as little as 5,000 naira into it. So it allows ordinary Nigerians to invest to the FGN saving bonds. And these bonds, the FGN bonds, come in 2 main tenures. It can be 2 years. 2 years FGN savings bond. It can as well be 3 years. 3 years FGN saving bonds. The interest rate is also known as the coupon rate. It is announced by the DMO before they issue it. So the DMO will come like, okay, oh, there's another FGN saving bonds. It can be for 2 years or for 3 years. And for this one, this is the interest rate. So you know the interest rate before you subscribe for it. For example, the 2-year bond might pay, let's say, 11% or more than this, or let's say 12%, might pay 12%, while the 3-year bond might pay, let's say, 12.5%. This is just an example. And once you invest, your money is locked for that period. Listen again, oh, your money is locked for that period. The FGN saving bond is not like your normal mutual fund where you can access your money. But yes, I think you can also access your money in FGN saving bond. We will get to that later. But after you invest, after you put your money in the FGN saving bond, you subscribe for it, you will receive interest payment every quarter. So it simply means every 3 months you will get interest paid directly into your bank account. Okay, let me show you an example so that you can understand the FGN saving bonds very clearly. Now, let's say you invest 200,000 naira in the FGN saving bond, 3 years FGN saving bonds as, let's say, 12%. This is just an example. The rates might be lower, the rates might as well be higher than this. Now, this is how it plays out. Your total yearly interest is 200,000 naira divided by 12%. This equals to 24,000 naira. Do you understand? Your 20,000 naira investment and you are getting paid, this is 12% interest rate. So equals to 24,000 naira. Since payments come quarterly, remember you are getting your interest payment every 3 months. That means we are going to divide this one. You will be getting 6,000 naira every 3 months. So you get 6,000 naira paid directly to your bank account every 3 months. You know you are investing for 3 years because you subscribe for the 3 years saving bond. That means over 3 years, you will get 72,000 naira return on investment on your 200,000 naira. Do you understand? So at the end of the 3rd year, the government returns your full 200,000 naira. You are getting 6,000 naira every 3 months for 3 years. And at the end of the 3 year, you will get your main capital back. Okay, now let's talk about how to invest in the FGN saving bonds. You may not walk into a bank, you may not walk to your commercial bank to buy the FGN saving bonds. You must go through a licensed stockbroker. Well, if your bank is a licensed stockbroker, maybe you can buy FGN bonds with them. But you must buy the FGN saving bond through the licensed stockbroker that are approved by the DMO, by the Debt Management Office. And this is the process. Step 1, find a broker. You can visit the DMO website. That is the dmo.gov.ng. You can visit this website and check the list of authorized stockbrokers. And step 2, you fill forms. You fill in the forms, fill the subscription form during the offer window. Remember that when the announcement is made, people subscribe very fast. So you must do it quickly as soon as the offer is out. Then the next step is to fund your broker. Fund. That means you should deposit money. You should make payments to fund your stockbroker account so you can invest. And once your application is confirmed, is approved, you will receive an approval notice that, okay, you see that it is already been approved. There are many stockbroker apps you can use in Nigeria, but I don't want to mention any name because I am not affiliated with them and this video is not sponsored. But if you go to this dmo.gov.ng, you will see list of all the approved stockbroker where you can invest in the FGN saving bonds. And from the moment you successfully subscribe, you start receiving interest payments every quarter automatically to your bank account. You don't need to do any follow-up. You don't need to contact anybody before you receive your interest every 3 months. Can you withdraw your money before maturity? Technically, your money is locked until the bond matures. But if you really need your cash early, there is an option. You can sell your bond on the secondary market through your broker. On the Nigerian Stock Exchange, bonds are tradable. You can sell your bond before maturity date. However, the price will depend on the market conditions. So you could sell it for slightly more or slightly less than what you bought it for. That is why FGN savings bonds are best suited for medium-term savings goal. Like you are saving for a little long time, Maybe you are planning to pay your rent now. You can use government bond. You are paying your rent in 2 years. Or you want to do a business and you're looking for a place to put your money to get returns that is also safe. You can put it in government bonds. Or you are planning to do a project. You want to build a house. You want to do a very big investment on something. You can use the government saving bonds. Why Nigerians love FGN saving bonds? Because it is from the government, because it is backed by the FG, by the federal government. You know, you have a level of trust, a level of comfort when you know that this is practically risk-free. And also, it pays steady returns, steady return. It is steady because every quarter, every 3 months. So you can treat this like an extra source of income. And also, you can start small. You can start, even if you have just 5,000 naira, you can invest in the FGN saving bonds. You can even use it to plan your children's education. You can use it to do your wedding savings. You can use it to keep your business capital for a few years. In a time when many investment platforms vanish overnight, the FGN saving bonds offers what most Nigerians are looking for, and that is peace of mind. A place where you can put your money and have peace of mind that my money is safe. It is FGN saving bonds. Now the most interesting part. Is it right for you? If your goal is to protect your money and to earn safe interest and avoid risk, then yes, FGN saving bonds is perfect for you. But if you are looking for a very high returns, or you want instant liquidity, meaning you want a place where anytime you need your money, you can remove it, then you might need to combine this with other assets like the money market fund, mutual funds, treasury bills, or stocks. So in simple terms, the FGN saving bond is the Nigerian government telling Nigerians that trust us with your money, we will pay you back with interest. And for once, this is one investment where that promise is actually reliable. If you learned something new in today's video, please hit that like button and subscribe. Also share this video with more Nigerians so that they can learn how to invest safely. And if you like to see the difference between the FGN saving bonds and the treasury bills, check out my next video where I will explain this.